Welcome to homework.
We're asked to show that the partition of the set of all identifiers in C formed by the equivalence classes of identifiers with respect to the equivalence relation R31 is a refinement of the partition of the set of all identifiers in C formed by equivalence classes of identifiers with respect to the equivalence relation R8. So, let T be an equivalence class of identifiers in C, with respect to the relation R31. Now, let T be the shortest string in T. Suppose that the length of the shortest string T in T is less than 31. Then it follows that there is an equivalence class of identifiers in C with respect to R8 that contains T. Since clearly the names agree in the first 8 characters. Now suppose that the length of T is 31 or more. Then it follows that the set T, which is the equivalence class containing T with respect to R31, this is going to be a set of identifiers of the length of at least the length of T. So of length at least now consider T prime, which is the equivalence class of T with respect to R8. Well, we have that if a string is in T, this means that it's an identifier of length at least that of T, and so an identifier of length greater than or equal to 31, and therefore it follows that it's an identifier of length greater than 8, and so this belongs to T prime, since the first 31 characters of S and T agree, and therefore the first 8 of them also agree. And therefore we have that T is a subset of T prime, and so by definition we have that the first partition is a refinement of the second.